Hello students. So let us analyze the syllabus and question paper pattern of industrial AC machines. Now there are 5 units for this subject. So number one is three-phase induction motors, which is for 20 marks. Then second is single-phase induction motor, which is for 14 marks. After that, three-phase alternators for 16 marks, and number 4 synchronous motors for 12 marks, and unit number 5 for 8 marks. Now in this subject, on 3 units, that is unit number 1, unit number 3 and unit number 4, there will be numericals. Okay, so let us analyze the syllabus. So the first unit of 20 marks, so in this there are 3 levels of questions: remember, understand and analyze. Okay, so remember are of 2 or 4 marks. Okay, so maximum they are of 2 marks. So like define, give, list, state, likewise. After that, the next level is understand level. In this you will have question like compare, explain, draw, like this. And in analyze level, you will have questions like numericals, derivation like derive an expression, okay, or describe, explain in detail for 6 marks. So when you see first unit, so easy questions are of remember and understand level, that is 2 and 8 marks. Okay, so here you can score the basic of 10 marks. Okay, so easy level questions of remember and understand, so total you will score 10 marks. In second unit, if you prepare the whole unit of 14 marks, which is totally theory, there will be no numerical question, then you will get minimum 14 marks. Okay, after that, in third unit, if you look at remember and understand level, there are total 8 marks. Okay, then unit number 4, the total weightage of 12 marks, and remember and understand level questions are 2 and 4, that is 6 marks. Okay, and after that, last unit is of 8 marks. So if you prepare last unit, that is it is totally theoretical unit, so you can score minimum 8 marks. So likewise of 17 marks, so remember questions are of 12 marks, understand level questions of 24 marks, and analyze level questions of 34 marks. Okay, so you will have 50-50, that is 36 marks of remember and understand, that is these are the easy level questions, and 34 of analyze level questions. Okay, now let us go to the curriculum, that is syllabus. So when we consider unit number 1, that is three-phase induction motor, so this is the syllabus structure. Okay, so these are the contents of the unit number 1. So this is the working principle, that is production of rotating magnetic field, synchronous speed, likewise, and numerical on that. After that, constructional detail. So if you consider theoretical part, so in this you have to prepare the construction of squirrel cage and slip ring induction motor. After that, the comparison between squirrel cage and slip ring induction motor. Okay, and what are the applications of three-phase induction motor. So this is the basic level topic that you can prepare. Okay, after that, the third point is rotor quantities, that is frequency, induced EMF, likewise, and numerical on that. After that, characteristics of torque versus slip, that is speed, starting torque, full load torque, maximum torque, etc., and again numerical on that. After that, induction motor as a generalized transformer with phasor diagram. So there will be question, explain why induction motor is considered as a generalized transformer. Okay, so this question may be for 4 marks. After that, 4 quadrant operation, that is power flow diagram, So these are the two topics: four quadrant operation of induction motor and explain power flow diagram or draw power flow diagram of three-phase induction motor. So two questions may be here. Now the most important part is starters. So you will have two questions. What is starter in three-phase induction motor, and what are the types of starters, and what is the need of starter in three-phase induction motor? So this will be one question. And the next question, second question may be asked like explain one type of starter, so say stator resistance starter, auto transformer starter, star data starter, or rotor resistance starter, or soft starter. Okay, so you have to concentrate on this topic because this is totally theoretical and it is easy part. Okay, after that the next point is speed control methods of three-phase induction motor. So this is also one important point. So you can have you may have this one question on this topic and the second question on this topic. Okay, and after that the what is the selection criteria for different applications when you select three-phase induction motor, and after that maintenance part. So this is the uh, easy point in this unit, that is maintenance. Okay, now the second unit is, it is totally theoretical part. So this is the main or very important topic, that is explain double revolving theory, or why single phase induction motors are not self-starting, explained with double field revolving theory. So you have to write on this topic. Okay, after that construction and working of various single phase motors. So first type is resistance start induction run motor, capacitor start induction run motor, capacitor start capacitor run motor, and the most important is shaded pole induction motor. And after that repulsion type, series motor, universal motor, hysteresis motor. Okay, so shaded pole, universal motor, and hysteresis are the most important types of motors, but you have to prepare all the types of motor, and for these motors you have to prepare circuit diagram, torque speed characteristics, and application of all these types of motors. Okay, after that motor selection for different applications as per load characteristic. So this is similar to three-phase induction motor. And the maintenance. Okay, so most of the activities of maintenance for single phase and three-phase induction motors are similar. So you will not skip any topic or any point from unit number 2. Okay, then three-phase alternator. So principle of working of alternator, moving stationary armature, what is the advantages of having stationary armature, then constructional details, then derivation of EMF equation, again numerical on that equation. After that, this is the most important point, that is alternator loading, factors affecting the terminal voltage, and after that leakage reactance. Okay, then next important point is armature reaction at various power factors. So this is the most important question or most important point. Then after that voltage regulation by synchronous impedance method and the maintenance of alternator. Okay, then unit number 4, principle and working of operation of significance of load angle. This is most important point. After that various torque, definition of various types of torques, starting, running, pull in, pull out. Then synchronous motor on load with constant excitation. So this will be explained by using various phasor diagrams. Okay, then the important point is V curve, inverted V curve, then hunting, swinging, methods of starting synchronous motor. So there are many methods by using which you can start synchronous motor. After that losses in motors and application areas. Okay, and the last unit is, it is totally theoretical part, the construction and working of various types of motors. So like synchronous reluctance motor, switched reluctance motor, BLDC, permanent magnet synchronous motor, stepper motor, AC and DC servo motor. So in this stepper motor and AC and DC servo motors are very important. Also BLDC motor is also important. Then permanent magnet synchronous motor is also important, but you have to prepare all these types of motors with their torque speed characteristic, and the main focus will be on applications. So in second unit and last unit, you will concentrate on the circuit diagram and torque speed characteristics and the applications of that particular motor. Okay, also double field revolving theory. So in second unit and last unit, you will concentrate on circuit diagram, torque speed characteristics, and applications. Okay, so if you concentrate on second and last unit, that is 14 and 8 marks. Okay, so you will nearly score 14 plus 8, so that is near about 22 marks. Okay, now let us look at the question paper. So this is the question paper of winter 19. Okay, winter 19. So the question paper profile is question number 1 of 10 marks. So from 7 questions, you have to solve 5 questions. Okay, so by solving 5 questions, each carry 2 marks, you will get 10 marks. Okay, so you have to concentrate on these 10 marks. So this question is from first unit, this is from second unit, this is from third unit, this is from fourth unit, then again this is from fourth unit, and this is fifth and fifth. Okay, so if you score 10 marks, so you will cover near about, with passing criteria you will score near about 10 marks. So if we consider 28 marks passing, so you will need only 18 marks. Okay, so this is for passing criteria, but if you want to score, then you have to go for all questions. Now let us focus that we are considering only second unit and last unit, that is single phase induction motor and uh, fractional horsepower motors. Okay, so let us consider the questions which are asked from the second unit. So in this second unit there is no question. Okay, in third question there is one question from second unit, that is of 4 marks. Okay, after that again this is the question from second unit of 4 marks, so 4 plus 4 8 marks. After that this is also question from second unit for 4 marks, so 8 plus 4 12 marks. And this is also question from second unit, so that is 12 plus 4 16 marks. Okay, so from second unit there are questions of 12 marks. Okay, now focus on the last unit. Okay, we're skipping this we're skipping the first question. Okay, we're only considering 4 marks question. So from last unit, so this is from the last unit 4 marks, this is also from last unit, that is 4 marks, so 4 plus 4 8 marks. Okay, so from for if we consider second unit, so we are getting 16 marks. Okay, and from last unit we are getting near about 8 marks. Okay, so first question of 10 marks, then the 4 marks question from second unit of 16 marks, and from the last unit, that is fifth unit, the 4 marks question are of 8 marks. Okay, so if we sum up, so it is total 34 marks. Okay, so if you concentrate on second unit and last unit theoretical part, and if you prepare the theoretical parts which is easy from the whole curriculum, then you can easily score 40 to 45 marks. Okay, so now concentrate on the easy parts, theoretical part, which we have discussed in first unit. Let us consider that the starter, speed control, etc. So for starters, if we consider the starter part, speed control part, okay, so this is the question from starter part of 4 marks. Okay, then again the maintenance activity of three-phase induction motor. Okay, so likewise you can concentrate on the easy parts and you can score easily 40 to 45 marks in this subject. Now talking about the numericals, in numerical uh, there will be one question on EMF equation, the numerical on EMF equation of alternator. Okay, so this is the first pattern. After that, the second most important pattern of numerical on three-phase induction motor, that is losses and power output of three-phase induction motor. Okay, so this is the one pattern, and after that the next pattern of three-phase induction motor, numerical on three-phase induction motor, is a maximum torque at the time of starting. Okay, so likewise you can score easily. So there are various key points which you can note and you can prepare accordingly. So the conclusion is that you should focus on this part of syllabus from first unit, then whole second unit. After that, the comparison between salient pole and non-salient, that is cylindrical, non-cylindrical, armature reaction of alternator, voltage regulation, that is synchronous impedance method, maintenance, in synchronous motors, starting torque, running torque, all types of torques and definition, then synchronous motor with constant excitation and constant loss, V curve, inverted V curve, methods of starting, losses, applications, and the whole unit, that is unit number 5.